Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is the Snowflake database. This is the first video from Snowflake account usage playlist. What is the Snowflake database? Snowflake provides data dictionary object metadata as well as historical usage data for your account via shared database named Snowflake. So the moment when you create an account from Snowflake, then this Snowflake database will be created automatically. Snowflake is a system-defined, read-only shared database provided by Snowflake. You no need to create explicitly this database. Snowflake database is automatically imported into each account from a share named account usage. So this is the share. As you know that in Snowflake, we have a feature called shared object. By using that shared object, you can share your data to anybody outside the organization or within the organization. So similar way, Snowflake also sharing the data by using the account usage shared object. Okay, like this. If you see here, after logging into your web UI, Snowflake web UI, under database tabs, you will be seeing Snowflake. This Snowflake dot account usage from the origin Snowflake dot account usage. Account usage is a shared name. So by using this share, this is the database name. So this is the read only. We cannot perform any DML operations on this database. The Snowflake database is an example of Snowflake utilizing secure data sharing to provide object metadata and other usage metrics for your account. As I told you that in Snowflake, we have a feature called sharing data. Okay, with that, Snowflake itself using that sharing feature to provide the Snowflake database to Snowflake account customers. The Snowflake database contains 4 schemas as of now. Each schema contains a set of views. So what are those schemas? Like account usage is the one schema, information schema, the third one is the organization underscore schema, fourth one is the reader account usage. These are the 4 schemas are present under Snowflake database. See, the moment when you double click on the Snowflake database, shared database, see this is the, here you see one small icon, arrow icon, that means this is not a normal database. This is a shared database shared by the Snowflake automatically. So within this database, there are, as I said, that 4 schemas are there. One is the account usage, import information schema, organization usage, reader account usage. Please note that this information underscore schema will be created any database in Snowflake. If you create any database, by default this information underscore schema and public schema will be created when you create a database, whereas by sharing provided by the Snowflake database having the information schema only, no public schema. Apart from that, these are the 3 more schemas. So this is the all about what is the Snowflake database, under what are the schemas are present. Then in the upcoming videos, I am going to explain about what are the views are there in these schemas, and what is the difference between account usage schema and information schema, and also why you use the organization underscore usage, and why you use the reader account underscore usage schema. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it to your friends.